How do I use Flux when repiping a small section? Imagine turning a small plumbing problem into a simple fix that lasts 4 years. When you are repiping a small section of copper pipes, using Flux properly is a key step. Flux helps the solder flow smoothly and prevents oxidation during heating. First, you need to cut the damaged pipe section cleanly with a pipe cutter. Make sure to remove any burrs or rough edges from the cut ends. Then, clean the outside of the pipe ends and the inside of the fittings with a wire brush or emery cloth until the metal is shiny and free of dirt or oxidation. This cleaning step is important because it helps the Flux do its job better. Next, take a small brush or applicator and apply a thin, even layer of Flux to both the outside of the pipe ends and the inside of the fittings. Be careful to cover all the areas that will be joined. The Flux acts as a cleaning agent and helps the solder bond to the metal. After applying the Flux, immediately push the pipe fully into the fitting to ensure a tight fit. Slightly twist the pipe to spread the Flux evenly inside the joint. When heating the joint, use a propane torch and heat it evenly. Watch for the Flux to sizzle, which means it is working and the metal is hot enough. Once hot, touch the solder to the joint, not the flame. The solder should melt and be drawn into the joint by capillary action. Rotate the solder around the joint to make sure it seals completely. After the joint cools, wipe off any excess Flux residue with a damp cloth. Leaving Flux on can cause corrosion over time. Using Flux correctly ensures a leak-proof, durable connection when repiping a small section of copper pipes. Remember to turn off the water supply and drain the pipes before starting. Work in a well-ventilated area and wear safety gear. If space is tight, consider using soft copper pipes with push-fit or crimp fittings as an alternative. These options can save time and avoid the need for Flux and heat altogether. Properly using Flux is a simple step that makes a big difference in your plumbing repairs. It helps you create a solid, long-lasting joint that resists leaks and corrosion.